Right, now we're going to practice more of translating words to expressions. So again, if you need help with what the different math words mean and what symbols they would become, check out the notes page in our course. So let's look at this first one. 10 less than triple a number. So when you see some of these words, 10 less than, when I see this, that's actually telling me to flip-flop how I write this. Because let's talk about the difference here. If I write it in order of this, I have 10 minus triple a number would be 3x. Well, 10 less than triple a number. If I have 5 apples and I triple it to 15, I have 10 less than that, so I have 5. But if I plug that in now, I have 10 minus 15, which is negative 5. See the big difference there? You actually get the wrong answer. So if I have 10 less than this, that means I have to have what I circled first, which means I have to have 3x first. I go ahead and triple that number and then subtract 10. So be very careful with what order you put these in when you're writing your expression. All right, let's look at the next one. The product would be multiply of a number, and the sum would be addition of 4 and 6. Sum of 4 and 6. Now, sum of that number, the product of the sum, which would mean I have to do the sum first because I'm taking that product and I'm multiplying that number to the sum. So the product of a number and 4 and 6. Now, I'm not simplifying this. It doesn't say simplify. It just says write the expression. Change the words to the numbers and symbols. So sum of 4 and 6 multiplied to a number. Let's look at the next one. A number squared, so that's a power, subtracted by 10. So a number squared subtracted by 10. You can really use any variable, right? As long as it's an unknown, we're good. The quotient. Quotient is divide of a number and 5. Decreased, what would that be? Subtraction by 2. Now, in Algebra 1, typically quotient, rather than using this lovely division sign, we're actually going to write it as a fraction. So the quotient of a number and 5 decreased by 2. And there is putting expressions into symbols, words into symbols.